Go home happy with the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. This versatile three-row Pathfinder delivers muscular capability and quiet comfort. Epic family road trips, towing, carpooling, and weekend drives are peaceful and relaxing in this can-do SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, third row seat, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, rear AC, alarm, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels. Feel the assurance of quiet capability in this Pathfinder. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.